Hey guys, this is Ed Gibbs here with TCI Trucks in Phoenix, Arizona. And today we're just going to take a little walk around a 2017 Freightliner M2 business class truck that was recently converted into a 4,000 gallon water truck. It's a brand new conversion we just had done a few weeks ago. This truck has a 10-speed manual transmission and a Cummins motor. They put brand new nozzles, brand new piping, brand new tank, brand new everything on this. Just got done and out of the shop and back to our yard here. Give you a close-up here, let you see all the nice work these guys did on this. Plumbing, hoses, air lines, everything's brand new on it. Tank, all the lighting, wiring, controls, all brand new. PTO brand new. Tower, bolts, everything's brand new on it. Got side nozzle there. All your bound ends brand new. Got your rear nozzles here. Brand new plumbing. Brand new hose reel. Valves. New hose. Take a look up top. Brand new lights. Brand new LEDs. Here's your brand new pump. Take a look at that Cummins motor there. Did a really good job. Still got to do a couple things to the truck. We're putting brand new tires on it. That still has to be done. Truck will be DOT, full PM service on it. If you're in the market for a water truck, roll-off truck, dump truck, we are doing brand new conversions at the moment. Please give us a call and see what we have coming in.